Hope you guys had a good Monday and Tuesday. Yesterday I did the one day a week thing. I didn't film yesterday, but today's or yesterday's edition of Weather Relations is today. Um, it's gonna be a shorter one. There's not really much to talk about, but and yeah. So please subscribe. We're at 182, which we hit our goal. So please leave a comment down below on what you guys would like to see. Because I sort of figure you guys may not really want to see face cam all that much, but let's go ahead and get started. So this is what's going on. We see it was Tuesday afternoon, which is this after pretty much now. It's just Tuesday evening. So you have a low pressure by Dallas. You have a little bit of a cold front. A little bit even snowing by Wichita, Kansas, up through northern Oklahoma, right there. You're seeing some showers in that area, and we'll see that move to the east and pretty much do that. But most of this video is going to be talking about this potential for a little bit of a nor'easter. As we see, it's going to sort of pick up to the northeast. It's not really even looking like a nor'easter at this point. It's just going to go like this. The storm track, and as we see here, it's not really going to be affecting the northeast all that much. And after that, there could be a little bit of snowfall. But we'll have to see. We'll see. We could see a pretty good snowstorm next week. We'll have to see though. It'll be affecting a pretty big area. So so what we're going to be looking at first here is we're going to be looking at the GEFS model, which is the ensemble model. We're going to see like sort of the averages here. So all right, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is laggy, but all right. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for MSLP. All right, so GEFS model is saying that the nor'easter is pretty much going to go like that. So this is not probably won't even bring any snowfall to the northeast. And we see it sort of skips around. See that first storm system we have tomorrow, and then we see it sort of see a little bit of potential, which could have been a nor'easter, but it's not really. It's not really looking too good for a nor'easter at this point. And yes, we're not really looking at that. Take a look at the NAM 32 km. Let's take a look at the 12 model, the 12 km. Let's take a look at the get a little bit of an idea here. Take a look at the radar. Yeah. So yeah, this is the future radar here. So right now we do see that snowfall back in portions of Oklahoma right there. And we could even see like a little mini some snow in Missouri, southern Illinois, northern Kentucky, maybe southern Indiana. So that sort of fizzles out, and then we see our actual storm system sort of pick up and go towards North Carolina, bringing some pretty heavy rain along with it too. Let's see. We're gonna take a look at the GFS here. We're just gonna look at sort of the overall what's going on. Let's take a look at when the coldest sort of nights are going to be. So like the next really extreme cold air that's going to happen will probably look at that warmth, and then the next extreme cold air blast could come in around the next week, the 4th. Could see maybe lows in the morning at Tuesday and up to -20 right there in northwest Minnesota. We see it. See a pretty far south one right there. Negatives in the Illinois, which also happened, and I didn't. But yeah, that will be the next polar blast. But we're not really looking at a ton of cold air. We're gonna be seeing a lot of cold air up in Canada, probably -30. But it's not gonna be that cold as we see. It's not even gonna. I mean, Atlanta's really not even looking at a freeze, like an actual freeze below 29 degrees, or probably below 30 for a while. Look at that. So, probably not even. There may not even be any snow in these areas because it's just not. If it's not even going below freezing at all when it's dry, then it's probably not going to go below freezing. There's a lower chance of it going below freezing when it's humidity's high. Look at that, -48 up in Canada. So all the cold air is staying up in Canada. It's not really coming down, but we'll see some cold blasts and really cold blasts in this area and this area. That's about it. And of course the west coast will get some, but it's going to be pretty warm across the south. not like like extreme warm. If we take a look at this, we see it's not going to be like 70s and stuff like we saw a little bit ago. Yeah, 70s in that area, but like northern Georgia and stuff, it'll be like 62. Not really going to be too warm, but then it's going to be pretty. The weather patterns, I guess what I'm going to say, it's not going to be like too extreme or bipolar anymore. So we're not really looking at all that much temperatures, temperature changes. But let's take a look at the accumulated precip. Alright, so this is the accumulated precip. Let's take a look at it for the next week here. It's gonna take forever. Alright, so this is for the next week. Pretty much, the Northwest is going to be looking at a lot of precip. In the mountains of the Northwest, probably maybe even up to 6 inches in some of those areas. Seattle, about 2.5, 3 maybe. But pretty much the whole East Coast could see anywhere from about like portions of Arkansas, you could get up to about 2 inches. But then the rest of it, I'll see about like a half inch to about an inch of rain. For pretty much, like I'll draw a circle for pretty much the whole areas that it goes for. Like these goes for all these areas right here and out here. Sorry, and Florida. Don't do that. So all these areas are going to be looking at not too much precip, but it's going to be enough. Yeah. So you see, it's not going to be like a really intense pattern with a lot of winter storms. You are going to see winter storms, pretty normally, but they're not going to be like extremely strong or anything. But that'll wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Sorry today's video was sort of not good. I'm just tired. Yes, I hope you guys will leave a like and please comment, tell me what you guys would like to see as we did hit our goal. But yes, peace out.